Down here with the inline inverted PT19. Here we have the Globe Swift with an added ventral fin and wingtip tanks. This twin Navion's a rugged aircraft.
Deans is the guy that originally designed it.
Yeah, there's the Skybolt. Out of Wyoming, isn't it? I don't know. Or that's Pitts out of Wyoming. Out of Ulysses, Kansas. We turned south out of Ulysses, remember?
Yep.
How about that, sports fans? This was a B-24 base during the war. This is the way the bachelor officers lived during World War II in England. Lots of memorabilia here. And a very nice, clean gift shop full of all kinds of goodies. And they got a nice F-16 down here. Looks like a Byron, huh, Dave?
Yeah, it says Byron, and it was 77.
Mm-hmm.
3.2
Ducted fan.
horsepower at 22,000 RPM.
That's where we're headed to see these things fly at West Palm Beach, Florida.
The foam. Thank you. The foam wing cores, and I know a guy that flies one of them. I guess if you glass them, without making.
It's a volunteer out here.
Well, this is Tom Edders, a volunteer for the Liberal Air Museum, and he showed us around and gave us a real nice time. And so we showed him Shalish Patel's F-86, my old beat-up Albatross.
Well, I'm impressed with your model.
And Dave had all the answers that I didn't have. So we're going to say goodbye to the Liberal Air Museum in Liberal, Kansas. It's well worth your while, guys. You better come see it.
We're heading for Texas.
Heading for Texas. See you later. Well, we're in Shreveport, Louisiana, for the 8th Air Force Museum.
Shreveport.
It's Barksdale Air Force Base. Looks like it's going to be interesting. Beautiful day. There's a Nordine Norseman. Then we got an RB-47 here. Dave says built by Douglas, was it?
Yeah.
Not too many. Yeah. Under license from Boeing. Looks like a Republic F-84, huh, Dave? There's a cute little P-51. Now we don't have to tell you what this is, but we will anyway. The old Boeing B-17, backbone of the 8th Air Force in England. And there's the old B-24, the unsung hero. B-17 got all the glory. This thing flew faster, farther, and carried more than the B-17. B-17. Looks like they're doing some work on this 24. The laden maiden. There's some of the boneyard across the street there. Looks like the F-111. And the old C-47. D-18. Looks like this guy could use some paint.
T11, Dick.
The T11 they call this, huh? Looks like a navigator trainer to me. Yeah, bombardier trainer, I guess.
It could be an AT11.
There's your old B-29. It looks kind of small nowadays, though. Well, this is a C-97 Boeing, like the Stratocruiser airliner. There was one like this at McMinnville Airport a while back as a restaurant, right, Dave?
Right.
And they flew it out of McMinnville to some museum, but we don't think this is it because this one has the refueling boom on the rear end. Here we have the Avro Vulcan.
Vickers.
Vickers? Okay. And it's lately out of England. This was their last strategic bomber. Strategic, right, Dave? Flying wing. Look at that intake for the engines. Wow. And there we have the B-52. The flying aluminum overcast, they say. Yeah, Dave finally admitted I was right. This is an Avro. This is the wheel well of the Vulcan. And there's the rear turned on the B-52. This is why the flying wing's so efficient to lift it. Everything is lifting surface. Look at the area. There's the KC-10 tankers that are stationed here. A-10s. Oh, we had a nice walk. Now we're going to go in the main entrance of the museum here. There's the hours, 10 to 4 during the summertime. This is what it's going to cost you to get in. Just sign your name. Well, Dave, why don't you sign us in there? And
Okay.
nice gift shop. Museum to the 8th Air Force. Bunch of old timers here like me. These are the new B-52Gs arriving at Barksdale in 1965. Here's what's left of the tail section of a B-6A bomber.
Here it is up there on the wall.
Yeah. This was during the 1928 to 30 era. We'll just take a walk through here and show you what's you're going to see. Everything is well detailed, descriptive. Very interesting. A lot of history here. It's a small museum, but it's very neat. B-17 cutaway. B-24, 51, B-17, B-52, B-50. Well, we're going to say goodbye to the 8th Air Force Museum in Shreveport, Louisiana, Barksdale Air Force Base. Head on down the road. See you guys next time.